Hello everyone, I am Diana Marcela, a student of Occupational Health and Safety Risk Management at the Militar Granada University. Today I will talk about the result obtained from the interview about the future of work. The survey was conducted with 10 people who answered 5 simple yes or no questions based on their opinion on the future of work. When asked if technological skill will be essential in the future, 90% of respondents answered yes, while 10% said no. In the second question, 100% of respondents agreed that artificial intelligence will replace many human jobs. In this question, 80% of those surveyed believe that mental health will be a priority in the future of work. In this question, for the majority, remote work will not become the norm for the future. In this question, 70% of respondents are optimistic about the easy for finding work online. In conclusion, the survey results reflect a consensus on the importance of technology and artificial intelligence, as well as the relevance of mental health in the future of work. Thank you so much.